Hey all maths enthusiasts there, welcome to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with me Guneet. Today we are unlocking another Vedic mathematical gem, that is buy one more than the one before. This technique might sound like a riddle, but it's very easy and very simple. This trick is just the opposite of the previous trick that we've learned, that is first by the first, last by the last. In this method, first digit of the number is same and second digit are complements of each other. Now here, before starting the question, we have to check for two tricks, that is first number should be same and second digit of the number should be complement of each other. Here as we can see, first number is same, that is 7 and 7, and the second digit are the complement of each other, that is 2 and 8. Now here we'll start with the process. So make a partition. First number will be multiplied with the first number. Second number will be multiplied with the second number. So in the second partition we get 2 multiplied by 8, and in the first partition we write the number, add 1 to it, so 7 plus 1, and multiply by the number itself, that is 7. So here we get 8 multiplied by 7, and in the second partition we get 2 multiplied by 8, that is 16. So in the first partition we get 56, and in the second partition we get 16. So the final answer is 5616. Now let's take another example. So it's 82 multiplied by 88. Here also this trick satisfies that first digit is the same and second digit are the complements of each other. Now make a partition. First number will be multiplied by the first number and second number will be multiplied with the second number. So in the second partition, we get 2 multiplied by 8, and in the first partition, write the first digit, that is 8, add 1 to it, 8 plus 1, and multiply with the number itself, that is 8. So here we get 9 multiplied by 8. So 9 multiplied by 8 we get 72, and here 2 multiplied by 8 we get 16. So the final answer is 7216. Now let's come on to the third question, that is 43 multiplied by 47. Here also first number will be multiplied with the first number and second digit with the second digit of the other number. So 3 multiplied by 7 in the second partition, and in the first partition add 1 to the first digit, that is 4 plus 1, and multiply with the first digit as it is, that is multiply by 4. So 5 multiplied by 4 in the first partition, that gives you 20, and 3 multiplied by 7 gives you 21. So the final answer is 2021. Now let's come on to the next question, which is 66 multiplied by 64. So here make a partition. In the second partition multiply 6 by 4, where we get 24, and in the first partition multiply 6 plus 1 by 6. So 7 multiplied by 6 gives you 42. So here the answer is 4224. Now let's understand this method using 3-digit numbers. So here the first question is 706 multiplied by 704. So now as we can see that first two digits are the same in both the numbers, and the third digit are the complements of each other. So here we'll multiply first two digits by first two digits and third digit by the third digit. So now make a partition. So in the second partition we multiply 6 by 4, and here 70 plus 1 multiply by 70. So here we get 71 multiplied by 70. So here we get 0, 7 ones are 7, 4, 9, 7, 0, and 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So the final answer is 497024. Now let's take another example. So here 21 and 21 are the same, and 4 and 6 are the complements of each other. So here first we'll multiply 4 by 6. So here we get 24. Now here we get 21 plus 1 multiplied by 21. So here 22 multiplied by 21. For 22 multiplied by 21, we can use secondary base 20 method. So base is 20. Now here the deviations will be 22 minus 20, which gives you plus 2 as deviation, and 21 minus 20 plus 1 as deviation. Now first number plus the second deviation, which is 22 plus 1, multiply with the base, which is 20, plus multiply the deviations, which is 2 multiplied by 1. So here we get 23, multiply by 20 and plus 2. So here we get 460 plus 2, which we get 462. 462 and here we get 24. So the final answer is 46224. So now let's take up the last question, which is 964 multiplied by 966. So here 96 and 96 are the same and 4 and 6 are the complements of each other. Make a partition. Now 4 multiplied by 6, we get 24, and here 96 multiplied by 97. Now 96 multiplied by 97, we can use below base 100 method because this is, the numbers are near to base 100. Now let's take the deviation, which will be 96 minus 100, which gives you minus 4 as deviation, and 97 minus 100, which gives you minus 3 as deviation. Now make a partition. In the first partition, first number plus the second deviation, which is 96 minus 3, and in the second partition, multiply the deviations, which is minus 4 multiplied by minus 3. So here 93 in the first partition and 12 in the second partition. Since the base is 100 and we need to have 2 digits in the second partition, and this satisfies our criteria of having 2 digits in the second partition. So the answer is 9312. Now here 96 multiplied by 97 is 9312, and in the second partition we get 24. So the final answer is 931224. So as you guys can see that I have used secondary base 20, below base 100, complements, deviation. So I've been using these tricks again and again. So I request you all to please practice these tricks thoroughly and please go through all my videos chapter wise in order to fully understand this course. And if you want practice question book, then please WhatsApp me on the number given on the screen. And please hit the like, subscribe and share button to motivate us to make more such learning content for you guys. And please share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.